Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update the iPhone 11 Pro Max to iOS 17. So just go to settings, go to general, and let me just show you that this device is running on iOS 16.6. So if you want to update to iOS 17, in this video I'm about to show you how you can do that. So guys, here we go to software update and just wait here for a few seconds, and there you can see upgrade to iOS 17. Just click here and there you can read about the new features. Just tap on download and install and then enter your passcode. Now just tap agree and that's it. It will start downloading very soon. You just have to wait here until it's downloaded, and you may just plug your phone into charging and just wait here. It will automatically install the update in your iPhone. So guys, there you can see the update is installed on my iPhone. After it's done, you just have to set up your device. This is how you can set it up. That's it. So guys, now just let me show you. Our phone is successfully being updated. There you can see iOS version is 17.0. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.